To other news now, learn or leave. That pointed message to students and parents at a graduation ceremony on Thursday from the principal of the St. Elizabeth Technical High School. After 24 students were expelled last month, he warned that anyone who chooses violence over learning has no place at the school. Romarda Lyons reports.
Get with the program or get put out. That declaration from the administration of St. Elizabeth Technical High School as it takes a stance against violence. Principal Keith Wellington pointed to an incident in May that resulted in 12 students being expelled. Classes were suspended on Thursday, May 7, 2026, following multiple fights, one of which allegedly involved a knife. 4 students were charged with assault occasioning bodily harm, reportedly committed against their 15-year-old schoolmate.
Just about 5 weeks ago on the campus, and that incident was something that we do not ever want to see happening here again. I want to assure you as parents that our goal, our mandate, we are insistent that STETHS must be a safe place for every single person who walks through this gate.
Now, with several violent incidents reported across secondary schools throughout the academic year, Mr. Wellington categorically said any student found in breach will be ushered out.
Anyone who jeopardizes the safety of any other member on this campus will not be welcome here.
Last year, Education Minister Dana Morris-Dixon urged Jamaicans to take greater action in protecting the nation's children from violence.
And so in the presence of the minister, there is a recourse for parents and students who are excluded from school. So if I'm wrong, the minister can correct me. But if your child, if your children is unwilling or unable to comply with the requirements of this school, the standards that we have tried to build and uphold, they are not going to be welcome here.
Mr. Wellington argued that the institution is not distancing itself from its personal mandate to teach and shape proper behavior in students. However,
we believe that as a school, we do the things that are necessary to teach students. And where they fail to learn, there's a prominent school in Montego Bay whose motto is learn or leave. Learn or leave. As simple as that.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.